Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about RESTful client logo add-ons. For use these add-ons, first you need to go to your Elementor backend page and create a section. For create a section, just create, click a plus icon and you see create a section. You just create a section and click and paste here RESTful icon. And this is our new section, and I just you see content. Here is logo list. Just I click item 1 and you see choose a logo. Just I choose a logo for my client, like mm, this is my client logo. Just click here and paste here. See, this is my client logo. And enable URL. If you need to add a URL, www.restly.com. You see, this is your client logo and client website link. Then just I don't need this link. Just disable hide this. And if you have more menu of client logo, just add item here and it here. Click here and add your new client logo here. Just click here. You see, this is another client logo. Same. Suppose you have many, like 7 or 8 client. Just use here every client logo and URL. Then uh, you see slide option. If you want to enable this, just click here. You see this is a alignment type and enable loop like this one, and enable auto loop. See this changes, enable dots. You see this is dots, this is dots. And then we go to a style. uh, After clicking style, you see background color. Want to change the background color, just click here. You see change the background color. I use default color. And then background hover color. When you go here and change the color, just click here. I use the background hover color. You see this is changed. I also use the default here. And box shadow, if you want to use the box shadow from here. And border type, we use none. If you want, just dotted box, you see, or double, you see. And if you need curve, I don't need anything, just click here. Border radius, want to sorry, if you want to use any kind of border type, then use this or not. And margin padding, need your margin or padding, just use here. And then we finally go to the advanced, and here is also margin and padding for this section. If you don't need, just skip this. And position, jet index, css id, css classes, motion effect, transform, background. You want to change the background, click here and change the background. This is change, don't need to change this, just use the default. Finally update it. Okay, hope you understand how to change logo, client logo widget and customization. Thank you.